Hey guys, so here's the notes for 2.4 day 2. We are now going to solve polynomial equations by factoring. Now, before we do that, we need to talk about the fundamental theorem of algebra. What this states is if f of x is a polynomial of degree n, where n is greater than 0, so remember it has to be something other than a constant, then f of x equals 0. That means it has at least one root in the set of complex numbers. So exactly in roots if we count the repeated zeros. What this is really stating is that basically whatever our degree is, our n value, that's how many roots that we're going to have. So we have exactly in roots. And sometimes we can have what is called repeated zeros, which that is fine. So we're going to be talking about what are repeated zeros. So that means solutions that occur more than once. So these have special implications. To the graph. And we actually will be talking more about repeated solutions later on in this chapter, okay? But just know, whatever your degree is, that's how many roots you will have. So like when we did the quadratics, so when we talked about all quadratics, right? Our degree for those were 2. And whenever we did it, we would have 2 solutions, right? Or 2 roots. So remember, roots, what are some other names for those? So you'll see we have solutions, zeros, and x-intercepts. Okay, let's do example 1 here. So how many solutions does each have? Okay, so we look at our first one, example 1a, we got x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4x plus 20 equals 0. We need to figure out what is the degree of this function, meaning what's the largest exponent. The degree here is 3. So that means how many solutions or roots, zeros, x-intercepts are we going to have? We're going to have 3 solutions. Okay, let's look at B. Actually, this is what I would like you to do. Pause the video and do B for me, please. Okay, let's see what she said for how many solutions B has. So if we look, what is our degree? Our degree here is going to be 4. That means we're going to have 4 solutions. Okay, make sure you watch the next part of the video. That's actually where we're going to be solving polynomial equations by factoring.